Let's assemble the tripod for your tradesman heater. The tripod comes mostly put together, but there are a few steps that can be a little tricky. Here's how to get everything set up. Start by loosening the knob at the top of the tripod. This allows the inner pole to slide upward. If the pole feels stuck, rotate it until the screw rivets line up with the small gap in the tripod collar. There are 3 rivets on the inner pole. 2 of the rivets will be exposed outside of the tripod, and the third needs to line up with the hole just below the top knob. You may need to twist the pole slightly until everything drops into place. Once the pole is fully extended and aligned, tighten the top knob again to secure it. Next, extend the tripod legs. Loosen the bottom knob and pull the legs outward. When they're fully spread, tighten that knob again. Then insert the bolt and nut to lock the legs in place for added stability. Now attach the mounting plate. Place the saddle washers so that the curved, contoured sides face the pole. This lets them sit flush against the surface. The flat side of the plate should face away from the pole. Tighten everything until the plate feels secure. Insert the screw into the hole just below the top knob. This helps lock the inner pole firmly in position. Finally, mount the heater to the plate using the 2 screws on the sides of the heater. A helpful tip: tilt the heater upward as you tighten the screws. When the heater is pointed downward, those screws can be difficult to access. Tighten both screws fully. And that's it. Your tripod is assembled, your heater is mounted, and you're ready to go. Thanks for watching.